Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out. $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, ApeCoin family. We have some good news. I know we had a really bad pullback, and you know what? These things happen. At the end of the day, this is something that happens. If you guys remember in those last ApeCoin videos, I was waiting for that 4-hour chart to put that dot on the bottom. Granted, some things were going on. We didn't get to drop the video on the first 4-hour dot chart, but now you can see why it was important for me to wait for that, because you don't want to be trading against the current, trade with the trend. The trend is your friend. So imagine if we would have jumped in on a trade this way, right? On the lower time frames, but in that 4-hour time frame, we were going against the grain, you can say. You could still make money. I've done it nonstop. I do it all the time. I mean, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Matter of fact, speaking on showing you guys how to do it, if you guys want to tap in on my money bag alerts, there's something coming up on my money bag alerts you guys do not want to miss out. It's at CryptoRico9 is my Telegram. If you want to get in on the money bag alerts, I'm telling you that you do. So you definitely want to hit me up at CryptoRico9. Tap in if you want to alert on your money bag and you want to add some money to that bag, okay? So we're going to check this out. And now you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, I wanted that 4-hour chart. And we have, look, oversold, but we didn't have that dot. I remember that we had it oversold, but we didn't have the dot yet. And you can see why I wanted that dot, because sometimes they'll play with your feelings where you get a green candle, but man, we didn't get that dot. It was oversold. It happened oversold prior to that green candle. The MACD was oversold. We didn't have the crossover yet. So that's very important to identify that, that dot also likes to come out when that MACD crosses over, right? So that's something also to always keep in mind, because you can get tricked by seeing this candle and saying, oh, there we go. I'm going to anticipate it and I'm going to jump in before the dot. Nah, not going to happen. It's not going to happen. We need patience together. We need to work on this. We need to polish this up. We need to get this right and secure where we can legit make some money, not just for us, but maybe our kids. And you guys can continue to show people how to do this, okay? So now we're in the upward trend. Let's zoom in a little bit, and now we can see what we're going on. Because sometimes you got to look at it zoomed in and zoomed out. So we have that crossover, right? We have the MACD with hollow candles on the 4-hour chart. We have the dots on the bottom. I'm not too worried about this 4-hour red candle right now, because we have the markets picking up. We see Bitcoin trying to tease us. If we can get Bitcoin to break over 40,000, I'm sure Ethereum will follow and break over 3,000, tap in close to 3,100. There we will see ApeCoin again follow to break past that $16 range, which we had some wicks tap past that, and I seen that when I was gone from my desk. But we will have a test above the 16 and rock back up. Imagine, this is why it's important to see these ranges. Look at this 4-hour range when this dot got on the bottom, right on the 4-hour range. Right here, let's say we got in right here. This is 1452. There was a high of 1844. Yes, it pulled back. The dot flipped to the other side. You could have got out right there. It would have been a lot shorter, 1781. You could wait till the next flip of the dot, right? The next flip, boom. When was the next one? So from all the way from, let's call it from the lowest mark, 1669, all the way to $27. So we're going to see how long this range is. Even this one, though it was not as pretty and we want to rock up, let's say we wait for that first dot right here. That's about $19, and it rocked all the way up to $25.10. That is real money on a futures trade. Best believe it. Also, I have some pictures, some screenshots that I've been doing on trading algo while these last couple of days and stuff. Obviously, while I was waiting for the dot to flip over on ApeCoin, I was trading algo. Algo was taking off. Those who got in on my money bag alerts knows. I took some pictures. If you want to see those pictures, I have screenshots of that trading happening live on my Telegram, where you can tap in with me at CryptoRico9, okay? So right now we see this next range, the first dot, we're at 1444, 1440, give or take, and it did tap out up here at $17, which that would have been a great futures trade, nevertheless. But I believe that this is going to continue up because we're not oversold, or we're not overbought yet. So we still have a lot of range to go. This could be another long run up, maybe all the way up to $21. Could happen, if definitely if Bitcoin breaks over 40,000 and we see ETH go back over 3,000, tapping 3,100, that would be very nice for ApeCoin, considering that the peg system and how we're tied up to it. That could be pretty epic. So right now we see the 30-minute. We're waiting for that one. Then we got 23 minutes on that one. 15-minute chart. We have the dots on the bottom. It's been oversold. The MACD was oversold already. Of course, it's not that very deep oversold. When it's down here like it should be, like it does other times like this. But when it's a coin like this and there's a lot of hype going around it, this can vary a lot, and that's why it's important to have several different indicators so you can make a judgment using these indicators as a form of a filter to say, okay, I like this, this passes, this doesn't pass, I don't like that much. How is the buys compared to the sells? Are we being overbought? Do we have a hard battle right here? Does it look like, is this a prior resistance that we had trouble at or not? Okay, so right now we're oversold again at the 1 minute, and look at how it can overbought, oversold. We're about to cross back over, get a dot back at the bottom. Same thing's going to happen over here on the 3 minute, because on the 3 minute we're oversold, and yet to be completely overbought. This is that area where it likes to come down right here and pretend like it's going to psych everybody out, followed by some fake MACD movement, really to rock right back up as we see it do right now. There we go. As we see it is rocking up right now. There we go. That dot on the bottom I just explained. And now we're going to rock up to go chase above that $16. And I'm going to get this video out for you guys. I want you guys to pay attention to the clues and the tips and tricks in these videos. They will go very, very far. And if you guys are not picking them up, just tap in with me. Leave a comment. Let me know what you need help with. And we're going to get you there. Don't worry about it, okay? So let's get above $16. See if we hold that support. See if the market's going in our favor. I want to get this video out, especially when the momentum's picking up. So like that, you guys can cast your judgment and see what you guys want to do with ApeCoin. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time, you guys know what it is. Later.